Hi, I am Lopamudra. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. Today I will discuss another NET question paper that is based on silicon controlled rectifier, that means SCR. Okay, so how we solve this NET question paper based on the topic of silicon controlled rectifier. Without any time waste, let's start our class. So what is the question? The question is the junction capacitance of a thyristor in the state of reverse blocking is 20 picofarad. For a charging current of 5 milliampere, the value of dVdt capability of the thyristor to make it on. This question paper is from UGC Net 2018 December Electronic Science. So the first option is 500 volt per microsecond. Second option is 250 volt per microsecond. Third option is 225 volt per microsecond. And the fourth option is 200 volt per microsecond. So the reverse blocking capacitor value, that means the capacitor value 20 picofarad is given already in the question. And for a charging current of 5 milliampere, that means IC current is also, capacitor current is also given in the question paper. So 20 picofarad is the capacitor value and the capacitor current value is 5 milliampere is already given in the question paper. We have to calculate dVdt value. From the basic concept of silicon controlled rectifier, we already know that is IC equal to C dV dt, right? So dV dt. So the two value of this equation is already given in the question paper, that is IC value which is equal to 5 milliampere and C value that is equal to 20 picofarad. So we can easily calculate dV dt value, and this value is the right option of the thyristor to make it on. Okay. So here is the solution. First step, for basic concept, from the basic concept of silicon controlled rectifier, we know that is IC equal to C dV dt. Then dV dt equal to IC by C. In the question, IC value is given and also the C value is also given in the question. So IC value is 5 milliampere. So that is equal to, here we write 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, and C value is 20 picofarad given in the question paper. So here we write 20 into 10 to the power minus 12. If we calculate this value using calculator, what we get? We get 250 volt per microsecond. So the right option is 250 volt per microsecond. Very easy solution, which is fundamental concept of silicon controlled rectifier. Hope you understand all this topic. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.